Pyrolite Fireworks European Qualities. Announcing a series of cake fireworks Pyrolite Leaves Series. Bright packaging favorably differs from everything available on the market. The Leaves themed series in white emphasizes a modern approach to pyrotechnic packaging design. The Pyrolite Leaves series are 0.7 inches diameter cake fireworks. The series includes 7 cake fireworks with a different number of shots, from 18 to 30. And a different number of effects from 4 to 7. What is the feature of the product? Despite the small number of shots, the product is large from 13.6 cm to 20 cm in width. The entire Pyrolite series line has a product height of 15 cm. It is a great product at an affordable price for the final purchaser. What made this possible? Tubes with charges are installed around the perimeter of the package, and a light polymer filler is placed at the center of the package. We got a large, eye-catching product for a relatively low price. And a lot of happy customers. Pyrolite took care of dealers by creating a convenient, functional and stylish shipping box. The set number is on all sides, a large barcode under the brand name, conveniently readable specifications and packaging. Pyrolite products have passed all the assessment procedures that conform to all technical regulations of the Eurasian Customs Union and have the certificate. Pyrolite Light Price.